Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take immediate action. Open Settings. Once done, check General About to see your iOS version so you know which app behavior to expect. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. If not, sign in now because iTunes features require it. Also verify screen time or restrictions are off for the App Store, since hidden apps often come from limits. These steps set up the environment so the next actions succeed without interruptions. Next, use the device search to find iTunes quickly. Swipe down from the middle of the home screen and type iTunes or Apple Music. You'll see matching apps and settings. If the app appears, tap it to open immediately. That reveals if it's present or just hidden in a folder. If nothing shows, open the App Store, search for iTunes or Apple Music, and tap the Cloud or Get button to re-download. Make sure you use the same Apple ID to restore purchases and library links. Finally, inspect folders and other home pages to ensure the app isn't tucked away. Sometimes icons are moved. If you're on iOS 14 or later, swipe to the app library on the last home screen page and search there because it auto-organizes apps. If the icon won't open or is absent, restart your iPhone, then reinstall from the App Store. Troubleshooting tip. If downloads fail, sign out of Apple ID, restart, sign back in, and try reinstalling. This clears most account-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.